The market is so hot, pretty soon the listing price should normalize as we are seeing properties are listing way below and getting $250,000 above asking. Let's go ahead and unpack that. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and we always start with what's active in the market. Today we have 479 total actives, and at the same time we have 427 pending. So we're slightly above the pending column. The market is about 10% higher in listings year over year from 23 to 24. So we're definitely seeing a little bit more listings. We're hoping to see a lot more coming here in the next couple of months. So what's really happening? The market is on fire. A lot of buyers at the open house. So typically, whenever we look at the first quarter, we always start from a very slow market, December, and then we go into January. This is when everybody just wakes up. Well, we have the stock market that's overperforming. People's down payment is very strong. We're seeing properties on average receiving $250,000 above asking. If you're listed at 1.4, it's selling at 1.65 and so on. This is average, okay? There are outliers where it's receiving $500,000 above asking, and we're seeing some properties that we just put a buyer in contract where we actually got below asking by about $85,000. So that was a nice win for our buyer. But let's talk about the average. We are going to see those properties that were listed at 1.3 and selling for 1.6, no longer listing at 1.3, they're going to list at 1.5, maybe 1.545, maybe 1.449. So we're going to see that through in the next week or two. So that's going to normalize. So buyers, you're going to see more realistic numbers. If you're in the market and you're confused whether is this the right time, is this the right budget for that right neighborhood, let us give you this data. We monitor that on a daily basis. Feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help. 408-515-1613. Bye-bye for now.